A few conclusions here. First of all, most of these are labors of love. If you look at these are people who are kind of passionate about it, and not, you don't look at any of the ones we've talked about today and say, this was a very, like a very strategic in sort of content move that was intended to produce a real return on investment. It's clear in some cases, and versus others, but it's a significant effort of time and commitment, right? This is, people have put a real effort into this. Not exclusively, but for the most part, most of the things that are sort of breaking through here are video. Right, Chuck isn't all video, but he's definitely got some video and so forth. What's clear, I think, in a lot of these cases is that the attraction is both a mix of professional audiences as well as kind of target clients for consumer-facing residential contractors. And so we said this before, but that kind of peer traffic can give you a real boost for your local presence. But oftentimes just you have to realize that it's a smaller percentage that's going to actually be in your service area and local. What's also clear is that these people have figured out a way to just make content creation standard operating procedure in their company. It's just, it's what they do. And then lastly, I would just say, it's pretty clear that TikTok loves spray foam. What else can we come up with in our industry that is as mesmerizing as watching spray foam expand? Because there's apparently something there.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.